Thanks for joining us today on HXGN TV. I'm your host, Kyle Phelan. And today we'll be discussing Hexagon's new Enhanced Productivity Series with Michael Mariani, Director of Strategic Business Development for the stationary line at Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence North America. Michael, thanks for joining us.
Great to be here, Kyle.
So I understand that the Global S CMM is the first model in the Enhanced Productivity Series. Tell me more about that.
Yes, it is indeed. I mean, we've changed our focus a little bit in the past few years, and we're trying to focus more on customer workflows, get a better understanding of how they use the equipment. So what we're doing is we go out and actually observe customers, understand how they use the machine, and look at their work pattern, see how they adjust it. We're also tracking how they use their software as well, so they can opt into that, and that gives us great insight into how they're using the systems. So then we take that insight and we really convert it into new functionalities. And those functionalities we're calling smart technologies. And we add those into the systems, and this is the first machine that we've started to do that with, and we're looking to expand that.
Can you tell me more about the hardware improvements?
Right, well, the basic purpose of a CMM is obviously to measure. And so we spend a lot of time focusing on just the measurement tasks themselves. So data acquisition, how fast you do it, etc. So what we've done is we've focused on scanning for this particular model, and we've been able to increase scanning almost 10x. So almost 100 millimeters per second, which really is a vast improvement over where we were before. In addition to that, we also added some new features, Scan Pilot. And Scan Pilot allows you to measure undefined surface scans easily, so you don't have to worry about those. Another feature is Fly 2, and Fly 2 lets us optimize the motion around the part, so it kind of cuts down on non-value added time.
And how is the user experience improved with those in mind?
Well, we've also looked at how operators use the machines and what's important to them. And so we've added features like message lighting, because all these systems that I work with are automated. And so oftentimes people leave that system. So you can look from across the manufacturing site, and you can see the status of the machine just by looking at the lights on the machine. Another feature we've added is Pulse. And Pulse is a system that looks at the environmental behavior around the machine, and then it can send you an alert if something's changed. So you can be in your office, you can be on the other side of the plant, you can be home having dinner, it doesn't really matter. You'll know exactly what's going on with the machine.
So Michael, we've touched on the hardware improvements and the user experience. Have there been any software enhancements?
Right, we of course. I mean, it's the whole system. So we use software, hardware, scanning, everything comes to play. And in software, we've tried to add new features that make it easier to create programs, execute programs, as well as share the data throughout the organization.
How does the Global S impact the quality planner, operator, and the manager?
Well, the planner is allowed to make measurement routines much easier and much faster. And typically that's done off-site, or it's in an office, so it's not really next to the machine anymore. So all those tools are now in place, quick scan, all sorts of things. So that's pretty interesting. But for the operator, we've added a different software feature called Inspect. And Inspect lets you to easily select and execute a measurement routine on the floor. And you don't have to be that skilled, so it makes it very simple for them. And from the plant manager's perspective, we've added features that allow them to get messages like Pulse, and also to distribute the measurement results easily.
Well, thank you, Michael. Looking forward to these new enhancements. We'd like to thank our guest, Michael Mariani. For more about the Global S, visit hexagonmi.com/Global S. To tune in to additional episodes of HXGN TV, visit hxgntv.com. Thanks for watching.